Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Toyota Yaris GR. First, make sure your driving position is perfect. Adjust your seat so you can comfortably reach all pedals and the steering wheel. Set your mirrors for clear rear and side views. Before starting, confirm the parking brake is on and you understand the pedal layout. Clutch on the left, brake in the middle, and accelerator on the right. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth driving experience. Now let's get moving. With the clutch pedal pressed all the way down, select first gear. Slowly begin to release the clutch. As you do, gently press the accelerator pedal. You'll feel a slight vibration or change in engine sound. This is the bite point. Coordinate the clutch release and throttle input smoothly to avoid stalling. Practice this a few times to get a feel for the car's engagement. Once you're moving, shifting gears is next. To shift up, press the clutch, move the gear lever to the next higher gear, and then smoothly release the clutch while applying more throttle. For downshifting, press the clutch, select a lower gear, and gently blip the throttle before releasing the clutch. This rev matching helps synchronize engine speed with wheel speed, making shifts smoother and maintaining control, especially in a performance car like the Yaris GR. Finally, let's talk about cornering and advanced control. Approach corners by braking before you turn in, then smoothly release the brake and gently apply throttle as you navigate the curve. Keep your hands firm on the steering wheel for precise input. The Yaris GR's GR4 all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction, allowing for confident cornering. Always look ahead and anticipate the road to drive safely and effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.